located on the northwest coast of Peninsular Malaysia, has a rich history that dates back centuries. The island was part of the ancient Malay kingdoms and was known as Pulau Satu before the arrival of Europeans. In 1786, Penang was ceded to the British East India Company by the Sultan of Kedah, marking the beginning of its colonial history.
Hi everyone, just now you have watched the video I generated with Fliki AI. Fliki AI is one of the top AI generated video on internet. You can find many other websites that generate high quality video, but Fliki is one of my favorite website. Just now you have watched the video I generated by the Fliki AI. So you can also generate, and let me show how you can make a great video like that. Fliki can be used for documentation, history, and biography and the other topic as you want. Let's get started. Go to Google and type for the Fliki. So I have already logged in with the Fliki. It's very easy. You can just log with your Google account. And then I am using Fliki Pro version to get the high quality video solution. Since I already logged, I have the account here. I just logged on my Fliki account, and you can see this is the dashboard of the Fliki. You can see here I have generated some video. Go to my account and you can see here since I joined the Pro plan, I got 20% discount. I use someone coupon to get the discount. So if you have plan to use, you can also use my coupon to get 30 to 20% off. So you can see here I generate 3 video. I have used the 13% only 30%. It's like 22 minutes. Okay, and then you can read here how Fliki use your credits. You can read here before you purchase how much Fliki deduct for your video, for audio, video and image, AI image, blog to video, Twitter to video, idea to video, script to video. You can read this before you purchase the Pro version. Okay, and then come here. You can see I am Pro version, and let me show you how you can generate from script to video. When you first log the Fliki, this will be shown like this, and then come here. You get a file name. Give a file name so you can generate a video in it. Now I am going to file a name for the folder. This is just folder name. For example, I am going to give the name of the zoo in Yangon. Okay, zoo in Yangon. Just you can give the name anything you like. Here you can choose the dialect. I'm going to British English, and you can see here you can choose which one you want to use. Script, blog, PPT, Twitter, product. I'm going to script, and here the video expectation video duration you want for the Esquire, for Facebook and Instagram, portrait for the short video, escape for the long video. So I'm going to the short video first, because long video also can be easy. Short video. Choose here video. Make sure the video here, not audio and design. So submit. So my filter is already done here. Now I need to paste the script to generate video. Let me get the script from the ChatGPT. Open to new screen in your computer, or search for the ChatGPT. Type for the ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT. I am going to type here zoo in Yangon. The same folder name I put on ChatGPT to get the script. You can see here ChatGPT give me a script. Now I'm going to paste it on my video. I'm going to tag this file, Yangon, the largest city in Myanmar, home of the zoo, biological gardens. Copy this and paste it here, and take some more. Location history, animals. Since I'm going to make short video, so get only the important part of the script. I paste it here. Now you can see here template or video. I'm to choose the stop media. Photo also can, but media is engaging, more better for the quality video. Okay, summarize. We don't want, keep the summarize away. If you want for short video, maximum duration 1 minute. Get a bit shorter, because 1 minute is for the YouTube and TikTok. You can get 30 seconds, or you can make for 1 minute, below 1 minute. If longer than 1 minute, you can adjust the video speed later on Capcut. So I choose the video here and come here, this one just leave as here. You click more and click here B-rolls. B-rolls mean the script and will be automatically captured, and the sound effect all will be in one place. So make sure you put the B-rolls. Then okay, now simply submit. So our video is generating with a stop video and media. Now you can see our video is generated here. You can play and try. See how the video play here. Just click.
Myanmar's bustling largest city, home to the famous Yangon Zoological Gardens. Centrally located near Kandagi Lake, Yangon Zoo is easily accessible from various parts of the city. Established in 1901, this historic zoo is one of the oldest in Southeast Asia. Originally part of the Rangoon Zoological Gardens, it included a museum and an aquarium. Today, Yangon...
So the video you can watch is great. Now if you want to change the audio, just click here. And this is the Raymond. Voiceover is by Raymond. Go click on him, and you can choose the voice here automatically. United Kingdom.
Fliki helps you create audio and video.
This is the female version. You can see here.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content.
Mitwa.
Fliki helps you create audio and...
This is ultra realistic voice. This is a standard. Ultra is for 1 minute, 1 credit will be deducted from my Pro plan. So make sure before you buy. Here this is the 50% only they will deduct for this one credit. Okay, so I use this. If you want to change any of the voiceover, simply you click the girl and select and apply here all. So all the video scene will be changed to the female voice. Now I like his voice, so I keep in music. Now if you want to change the music, come here. The music will be automatically choose. If you doesn't like, you can change. Safari. You can choose here video music which one you like. You can see our video music, background music is changed. If you don't want the background music, you can delete it. Now background music, let's play again. See.
Welcome to Yangon, Myanmar's bustling largest city, home to the famous Yangon Zoological Gardens. Centrally located near Kandagi Lake, Yangon Zoo is easily accessible from various parts.
You can see here the background music, you can adjust here. This is the volume up, this is down. Keep the normal. And now you play again.
Welcome to Yangon, Myanmar's bustling largest city, home to the famous Yangon Zoological
If you
Gardens.
want to change the media, simply click on the text and here you can see the media. I want to change other animals here automatically. You can see already changed.
Is easily accessible from various parts of the city. Established in 1901, this historic zoo is one of the oldest in Southeast Asia. Originally part of the Rangoon Zoo.
This one, if you also I want to change.
Shows, especially popular elephant performances, are a highlight for many zoo visitors.
You can see here download button. If you're happy with the video, click on the download button. The video resolution you can see and formatted MP4. Export. Start. It's saying you will be notified through email when your file is ready to download. You can close this pop-up and continue working on other files. If you make any change in current file while exporting is in process, your export will be failed. So I hope you understand this. Now they send message through email. You can go to my email and see they will send email that my video is already about to download. Here you can see my video can be found here also. Click it and can download here. So here you click download. So my video is now downloading here. Here you can see my video about to download. Select your file to put your video and save. Now go to play full video.
Welcome to Yangon, Myanmar's bustling largest city, home to the famous Yangon Zoological Gardens. Centrally located near Kandogi Lake, Yangon Zoo is easily accessible from various parts of the city. Established in 1901, this historic zoo is one of the oldest in Southeast Asia. Originally part of the Rangoon Zoological Gardens, it included a museum and an aquarium. Today, Yangon Zoo houses a diverse range of animals, including tigers, elephants, birds, and reptiles.
So this is the video result. You can generate more video with the Fliki. Short video is I recommend because short video costs less credits from your Pro plan. If you want to get discount, you can check out my video. I will put the coupon. You can get the free 30 to 20% off. Fliki is better than other website that generate high quality video. So I love mostly this website because I have faceless video. In next video I will show you. Thank you for watching.
Visitors can explore the reptile house, aviary, and aquarium, each offering unique wildlife experiences. Animal shows, especially popular elephant performances, are a highlight for many zoo visitors.